The Bermuda Triangle is a strange place in the ocean where many ships and planes have disappeared without a trace. It lies between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, forming a large, invisible triangle in the sea. Many pilots have reported that their compasses suddenly stopped working while flying over this area, making it hard to find direction. Ships have also vanished mysteriously, often without sending any warning or distress signal. One famous case is Flight 19, where 5 planes disappeared together during a training mission. Some scientists believe that powerful storms and huge ocean waves are responsible for these accidents. Others think that methane gas rising from the ocean floor can suddenly sink ships by reducing water density. There are also strange theories about aliens or time portals hidden in this region. However, many experts say that the Bermuda Triangle is not more dangerous than other parts of the ocean. Still, this mystery continues to fascinate people around the world and remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries of all time.